The 2025 Chevrolet Suburban is a marvel of automotive engineering, offering more power, style, and tech than ever before. This full-size SUV introduces the 3.0 I6 LZ0 turbodiesel Duramax engine to the lineup, replacing the previous 3.0 I6 LM2 turbodiesel. This straight-six turbo diesel may even be offered on the Suburban Z71 as an option. The Suburban's exterior design is striking and robust, making it a standout on the road. Inside, the spacious and luxurious interior ensures a comfortable ride for all passengers. The advanced safety features and cutting-edge infotainment system provide an enhanced driving experience, making the 2025 Chevrolet Suburban a compelling choice for those seeking a blend of performance, style, and technology.